Welcome back to Rachel B. the Healthy Bee. I thought I'd give you one of those quick homestead updates I promised. We are having a heat wave here in Kentucky, and our birds are still adolescent, so I'm doing some things to hopefully keep them going during this time, and things that you might be able to use in your area if you're reaching 95-degree plus temperatures, which just about any chicken, no matter the breed or the age, has difficulty with. So first is we're using this 6,000 CFM shop fan. I often have it on low overnight, and then we're bumping it up to high during the hot part of the day. The coop is obviously open in the back. We have windows on each side, and we also have a fully open door and front for ventilation. And then of course we have the actual tarp, which is shading them during the day. And then I go ahead and I put gallon jugs. If you can see the condensation, that's because I put gallon jugs of ice that I freeze, and I change them out every 3 hours or so in their water to keep their water cool. Then of course they have these fun little water pits that they can stand in and lay in if they want to cool off. They seem to like these quite a bit. I usually have to change these a couple times a day too, because they get them pretty gross just hanging out in them. Then we did these kind of mud pits slash sand pits that I moisten down so that they can use them, and often when it's super warm they are in them laying down and kind of furling themselves out. So thus far we haven't had any casualties of this heat wave, and I hope this is helpful for you guys if you need any assistance, because you are having some really high temps in your area as well. Keep those chickens safe, and the last thing you can do is give them some lovely frozen treats such as watermelon, strawberries, grated cucumber, things like that, and then I freeze them and they absolutely love that. So keep you posted, and thanks for watching.